Hello, everybody. I'm Christa Mackinnon, and this is Vanessa Tucker, and we are the co-founders and directors of the Modern Medicine Woman Training School. We would like to introduce ourselves here to give you some background knowledge of our qualifications and who we are. So I start. I'm Christa, and I'm a psychologist, psychotherapist. I trained also with indigenous people, so I call myself also a shamanic teacher. I'm the author of 3 books, all about shamanism and therapy, and one of them is the best-selling Hay House book, Shamanism, Awaken and Develop, the Shamanic Force Within. I'm the founder of Bridging the Worlds, where I train mainly therapists in shamanism. And I'm also an earth activist and the co-founder of Sacred Earth Activism. I speak at conferences, run workshops and courses, and on the whole, see myself as a medicine woman. So over to you, Vanessa.
Hi, I'm Vanessa, and I practice as a somatic movement educator and therapist. I'm a healer, and I bring in many strands such as Reiki healing, energy medicine, crystal healing, and shamanic practice. And I also am an author of 2 books and an artist in the wider sense. I've got a background in performing arts. I design jewelry, and I'm a photographer and generally a maker and creator. I also founded Walk Your Talk Retreats, which is a company that runs retreats in India. And I generally also offer training and courses in well-being and holistic work and shamanic practice, and well, a whole variety of things. So together, we've combined and pulled our skills and resources and our tools to create the Medicine Woman Training School. So what is the Medicine Woman Training School? Well, essentially, we offer women ways to empower themselves, to discover the wisdom they embody, to understand and learn new skills and knowledge, and to share their medicine with the world. It's about understanding, finding out, and empowering themselves, and then offering that out.
Exactly. And how do we do that? Well, we offer a course which runs over a longer period of time, which includes an accredited qualification as a modern medicine woman, but we also offer shorter workshops, some of them in person live and some of them on Zoom. And the third strand of our offerings is the facilitation of women's circles, which are usually free and everybody can attend. So these are the 3 strands: the Modern Medicine Woman Training course, shorter courses and workshops, and women's circles. So it might be interesting, Vanessa, to find out and to hear from both of us why women actually attend our courses. And one of the most important motivators I have found over the years is that women know deep down that they have a lot to give and that they have already skills and they have medicine in a way, unique abilities, which they want to hone, which they want to bring out, and which they want to develop. And I think the courses, especially the training course, gives them that. It also gives them new skills. So we're teaching quite a bit. you are teaching a lot of energy medicine and a lot of embodiment and somatic movement, and I'm teaching a lot of shamanism, and we're combining our skills. What else is there? And what motivates women to come in your experience?
I think there is that connection of coming together, the gathering, and often it's underestimated, but the just women gathering together as a group, sharing their skills, supporting each other, there's a magic energy that happens. The feminine comes out. We start to sustain each other. The medicine starts to be seen in a new and exciting way. So there is something, perhaps when you start to put it into words, it diminishes it. But this wonderful energy gathering strength comes together, and this fierce protectiveness of the work and each other, and the deep hugging support that comes from that.
Oh, absolutely. And women really seem to thrive on the courses. And I haven't met any woman who has been on the course, and especially again the medicine woman training course, who hasn't used what they learned and who hasn't been supported.
Yes.
And they all still have their groups and they still communicate with each other. So yeah, it is actually quite wonderful.
Yeah. And I think it's important for anybody listening. If you're feeling, often women, we do feel our insecurities. We do need the support of others to lift us up. And there's nothing wrong with that. And coming together, sharing your skills, and letting yourself be lifted within the group and supported within the group will really benefit you, you know. And if you are, like Christa said earlier, if you have that inner knowing that you've got something that needs to come out, something to offer, something to give, something to share with the world, come and join us. We have been running the Modern Medicine Women Training School now for a number of years. And what's over that time, such a wealth of wisdom and knowledge has come out from working with women, essentially working with women. And the medicine woman archetype. So what Christa and I decided to do was to put this wisdom into an oracle set. And we created the Medicine Woman Wisdom Cards. And this set really is about strengthening feminine wisdom and power.
So if you're interested in joining us for one of our courses, be it the Longer Medicine Woman training, which is, as we said, accredited and gives you a qualification, or one of the shorter workshops or courses, please go to our training page on the website. And we are also, of course, on Instagram and Facebook. Vanessa, is there anything else we should mention?
Yeah, and if you'd love to see some images of the work, go to the gallery. And again, as Christa said, join us on Instagram. We'd love to connect with you. And do come and join us.
And things about myself I never dreamed of, and I've just gone from strength to strength on my own personal spiritual path, but also in gaining the confidence to share and hopefully illuminate the path a bit for some others as well.